Imagine walking into your brooder and spotting one of your tiny chicks lying on its side, eyes barely open, gasping weakly, and too tired to chirp. It's a heartbreaking moment, one that sends a wave of panic through every poultry keeper. You wonder, is it already too late? Can this chick survive? Here's the good news. Even at that critical stage, you can bring that chick back. Yes, using natural ingredients already in your kitchen, you can create a fast-acting, life-saving formula that many farmers swear by. But before we dive into the powerful step-by-step remedy that has revived countless chicks from near death, do me a quick favor. Hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell so you don't miss more game-changing poultry tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. It could help save someone else's chick too. Now, let's dig into the heart of today's video. How to revive a dying chick using a natural homemade formula that works fast and safely. Why chicks collapse? Root causes. So first, let's understand why chicks collapse in the first place. Most times, it's not disease that knocks them down. It's usually a combination of delayed feeding after hatch, or simply poor energy reserves from the egg stage. A newly hatched chick absorbs a small portion of yolk just before breaking out of the egg. This yolk sustains it for the first 48 to 72 hours. But here's the problem. Many farmers assume this means feeding can wait. That delay can be fatal. By the time 48 hours pass, a chick's digestive enzymes start to drop. Its blood sugar dips. Its energy crashes. And once it loses the will to feed or drink, it slips fast into weakness, then gasping, then silence. That's when most people give up. But that's exactly when you don't give up, because there's still hope. To save a chick in this condition, you need 4 critical things in your rescue formula. Esta fast hydration. 2. Instant energy. 3. Digestive reset. 4. Nutrient support with no digestion required. Think of it like an energy drink and first aid kit in one. The goal is to flood the chick's body with what it needs, without forcing it to digest complex food. Now let's walk you through how to make this life-saving formula, why each ingredient matters, and how to use it effectively. Here's what you'll need. 1 green tea bag. Yes, just regular green tea. 1 cup of hot water. Half a teaspoon of sugar. A tiny pinch of salt. A 1/4 teaspoon of chick vitamin premix. You can get this from any agro-vet store. A pinch of poultry probiotic powder, if available. 1 fresh egg. You'll need the yolk. A clean syringe or dropper. No needle. Let's break down how each of these works to save your chick's life. Green tea, the secret hero. You might be surprised that green tea is at the heart of this formula. But did you know that green tea is rich in polyphenol, antioxidants, catechins, and trace minerals that help calm internal stress signals in the body, support liver detox and gut healing, boost immune response, act as a gentle antimicrobial, reduce internal inflammation. That's why green tea is often used in natural animal remedies. In chicks, it's even more powerful because their organs are small and sensitive. The gentle, healing properties of green tea act fast and absorb quickly. Next, the sugar and salt. This combo forms a homemade electrolyte solution, exactly what the chick needs to bounce back. Sugar gives the chick immediate glucose, pure energy with zero digestion. Salt helps retain water in cells and restore the balance of sodium and chloride lost through dehydration. Together, they stabilize blood pressure, wake up nerve function, help regain movement and alertness. Many farmers report seeing signs of recovery within just 2 hours of giving this combo. Chick vitamin premix, the repair engine. This is not optional. It's critical. chicks near death are almost always deficient in B-complex vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D3. These control everything from brain function, nerve signaling, bone growth, red blood cell production, organ performance. By adding a small pinch of vitamin premix to the formula, you're giving the chick the tools it needs to rebuild itself from the inside. Probiotic powder, gut reset. When digestion halts, fermentation begins, and that's toxic for chicks. The probiotic does three powerful things. 1. Reintroduces beneficial bacteria. 2. Fights harmful gut pathogens. 3. Restores gut pH balance for better nutrient absorption. Even half a pinch can make a huge difference. It turns the gut from hostile to healing. Egg yolk, nature's powerhouse. This is the crown jewel of the formula. Egg yolk contains complete protein, healthy fats, vitamins A, D, E, and K, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. These nutrients are easily absorbable and fuel every part of the chick's body, especially the brain, liver, and immune system. This is exactly what the chick fed on in the egg. Now it becomes the chick's most powerful post-hatch medicine. How to prepare the formula. Step 1. Steep 1 green tea bag in 1 cup of hot water for 5 minutes. Step 2. Let it cool to lukewarm. Never serve hot liquid to a weak chick. Step 3. Add half a teaspoon of sugar and a tiny pinch of salt. Stir well. Step 4. Add 1/4 teaspoon of chick vitamin premix and a pinch of probiotic powder if you have it. Step 5. Crack a fresh egg and separate the yolk. Mix the yolk into the tea mixture. Whisk thoroughly until the texture is smooth and golden. Step 6. Use a clean syringe or dropper, no needle. Step 7. Open the chick's beak gently and give 2 to 3 drops at a time. Do not force or overfeed. Repeat this 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening. If your chick is only weak, not suffering from a disease, you may begin to see changes within 3 to 6 hours, stronger chirping, clearer eyes. 12 hours, attempts to stand and move. 24 to 36 hours, feeding behavior resumes. Continue the treatment for at least 3 days, even after signs of improvement. This ensures full internal recovery. Bonus tips for better results. 1. Isolate the chick in a warm, dry space. Reduce stress and pecking from other chicks. 2. Use a soft towel or brooder box to create comfort. 3. Ensure warmth. Chicks that are too cold won't recover. Use a heat lamp or warm water bottle wrapped in cloth. 4. Keep the brooder clean. Poor hygiene will slow recovery. 5. Add garlic water or turmeric water to nearby waterers to boost general flock immunity. How to prevent future collapses. Feed chicks within 12 hours of hatching. Always provide clean, warm water from day 1. Use chick starter with enough protein, 18 to 21%. Avoid overhandling new chicks. Watch out for drafts and sudden cold. Add electrolyte water on days 1, 2, and 3. So the next time you see a chick gasping for life, don't rush to write it off. With this simple formula, made from items in your kitchen, you can bring it back from the edge. You now have the knowledge. All you need is action. And remember, many farmers have used this exact method with amazing results. Now it's your turn. If you found this video helpful, please take 3 seconds to like this video, leave a comment to share your experience or questions. Subscribe to the channel for more natural poultry solutions. Share this video to help other farmers save their chicks. Thanks for watching, And stay tuned for our next video where we'll be revealing more powerful natural formulas for boosting chick immunity and fast broiler growth without any antibiotics. See you in the next one.